Ayurveda pinaka tambah saha gaya hidup sane kelimbakang ring India kuno. Ayur mempitegas kehuripan saha Weda, mempitegas sains utawi penguruhan. Ayurveda wantah penguruhan indik sapunapi pemargi mangdes tata manggih kerahayuan.
Manut carake silih tunggil wit kuentenan utama Ayurveda nenten-wenten pangawit sah pemuput sanatana mewah anadi sani mapiteges yening Ayurveda jagis taterajek ring jagati. Ayurveda sampun wenten saking tigang taliwarsa sani sampun lintang. Dewa dan Wantari wantah pinaka Dewa Ayurveda saha nganutin ring kitab Purana. Dewa dan Wantari medal saking sir sagar samudra susu makta amrit saha daging pangruhan Ayurveda. Rahina punika raris kapekelingin pinaka rahina Ayurveda. Praktisi Ayurveda saking India Abhishek Joshi rikalaning kepanggihin ring seminar Hari Ayurveda ring Konsulat Jenderal India Bali Latarang indik hidup sehat melarapan antuk Ayurveda. Manut nyani sajeroning nelebang daging Ayurveda parindikan sani pinih mabuat wantah rikalaning metangi ring rahina semeng pamekas ring galah tengah 6. Danin wakang parindikan puniki mejanten mewah nanging yening sampun presida klaksana yang jagi dahat becik ring kesehatan pikiran melarapan antuk maurut nganggen minyak kelapa murni.
Talk about that today. The first and the foremost thing told in Ayurveda is to wake up early in the morning before 1.5 hours of sunrise. I know practically sometimes it's very difficult, but if you do that, it's a time wherein the sattva is dominant in the nature. Good thoughts are coming to the mind, and it's the best time to wake up and then do your regular activities. Now, apart from the regular activities which you already do, like brushing the teeth, there are some special things told in Ayurveda that you should also clean your tongue. You should give a self body massage with any oils. Coconut oil, which is easily available in Bali, is the best thing you can use. So giving a self massage with oil to yourself is a very soothing, calming effect on the body and the mind. There is another important thing of applying the nasal drops. There are some special oils which are used as nasal drops. This is to clean all the allergies, all the nasal related problems, or all the asthma related problems are also cured by this simple technique which is practiced early in the morning.
Ayurveda yening sayang sareng tambah ring Bali sanes sampun ketah kauningin pindah ke usada Bali nenten akeh pabinayan ipun. Indrawan Bali.